Hello and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Mrs. Wall, and today we're going to learn ways to be a problem solver and communicate our ideas. Take a moment to find a piece of paper and something you can write with. We're also going to need something that we can count. You can look for some blocks or pennies. Before we start problem solving, we're going to try a number sense routine that lets us think about how many dots we see and how we see them. How many dots do you see? How did you see them? Maybe you saw 3 on the top row, 2 in the middle, and 3 on the bottom row. Maybe you saw 5 and 3 more. Maybe you saw 6 and 2 in the middle. There's so many different ways that we could have seen 8. Today is your chance to think about how communicators write to share their ideas. Communicators listen and they wonder so that they can understand. You can use your blocks and pennies or paper and pencil to communicate your thinking about this math story. What do you notice? Maybe you see 4 boys running. Maybe you see 3 blue shirts. Maybe you see yellow soles on one boy's shoes and yellow and blue soles on another boy's shoes. Maybe you see the track. Maybe you see the school. Maybe you are counting the columns. As mathematicians, we're always noticing what's around us. Picture in your mind what is happening in the story while I read the story to you. John ran for some minutes on Monday. What do we know so far? John ran for some minutes and on Monday. Continue to picture the story in your mind. John ran for some minutes on Monday. He ran some minutes longer on Tuesday. Now, what new information did we find out? Yeah, he ran for more minutes on Tuesday. Continue to picture the story in your mind. John ran for some minutes on Monday. He ran some minutes longer on Tuesday. How many minutes did John run on Tuesday? What new information did we find out? We have a question. We get to figure out how many minutes did John run on Tuesday? Can you continue to picture the story in your mind? John ran for 15 minutes on Monday. He ran some minutes longer on Tuesday. How many minutes did John run on Tuesday? What new information did we find out? We have a number. Yes, we know that he ran for 15 minutes on Monday. Let's see what else happens. Continue to picture the story in your mind. John ran for 15 minutes on Monday. He ran 3 minutes longer on Tuesday. How many minutes did John run on Tuesday? What new information did we find out? We know now he ran longer on Tuesday. He ran 3 minutes longer. John ran for 15 minutes on Monday. He ran 3 minutes longer on Tuesday. How many minutes did John run on Tuesday? I'm going to invite you to work out the story. You can use your paper or pencil, or you can use your counters that you were able to find. On your paper and pencil, you can draw math pictures, numbers, you can use words, anything to show your thinking. You may pause the TV, or you can let the timer run down. John ran for 15 minutes on Monday. He ran 3 minutes longer on Tuesday. How many minutes did John run on Tuesday? We're going to share the ways you might have solved it. Maybe you used your blocks or pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for Monday. And then 3 more minutes, 16, 17, 18. Maybe you counted on your fingers. We know 15 minutes on Monday, 16, 17, 18. Maybe you just made circles and you continued your count. So 15 on Monday, 16, 17, 18. Maybe you used a number sentence. 15 on Monday and 3 more equals 18. Mathematicians can communicate their ideas in many ways. Take a moment to think about yourself as a mathematician and communicator. Did you write to share your ideas? Were you able to listen and wonder what questions to ask so you could understand? Take a moment to think. I could be a better communicator if I... You are welcome to use pictures or words. In today's episode of Math Matters, we learned about how to be a problem solver and a communicator. I hope you have a mathematical day and you keep on counting. I'm Mrs. Wall. Have a great day, boys and girls.